Hi Tom, I had a customer call today that was planning to use isopropyl alcohol that he bought from a local drugstore. And I advised him against it, and I suggested some of the products that we offer, and it looks like you've got a couple of those here. Can you tell me about them?
Absolutely, Daryl. First one is CSM3. This is a degreaser that we've used for a while that is wonderful for taking away the grease without leaving any debris behind, no residue behind. And that's the important part about the degreaser. This material is an aggressive degreaser. We have another one if you're working with plastics or some materials that might be affected by a harsh solvent. The GC6 is 2-propanol, 100% reagent grade of it.
So what would be the difference between this isopropyl alcohol and something like that customer that was planning to get it at a local drugstore?
Well, if you run down to your local CVS pharmacy and they give you isopropyl alcohol, it's going to have about 30% water and some other contaminants in it that are not compatible with strain gauge installations. So no, don't run down to Walmart or Walgreens or wherever and buy isopropyl. You need to use a reagent grade, and our GC6 meets that bill.
I got you. And like you were mentioning, the CSM3, it's an aggressive solvent, but yet doesn't leave any residue behind, because that's what we're trying to do, right? Get all the contamination outside of the gauge side.
For instance, acetone, maybe it's a great degreaser, but when you wipe it on a piece of glass, it'll leave a white residue. It's leaving stuff behind, and that's not something you want to have happen in a strain gauge installation. So use qualified degreasers for strain gauge use, which are clean and chemically inert so that they don't leave anything behind.
Gotcha. Well, great. Well, thanks for the advice.